drippy cheese.
Right guys, don't walk to Tesco's, run to Tesco's. First off, like always, grab a basket and let's get to it. Grab an onion. Also grab yourself a red pepper. Next on the list, grab yourself some Richmond sausages, only £1.50 with a club card. Grab yourself some chestnut mushrooms. Next on the list, some mozzarella, 80p. Also want to grab yourself some spaghetti, only 28p, Aldi price matched. And finally, grab yourself some of this tomato passata. Right, here we go. Lucy, cook me something up.
Easy.
Right, so back up now, Lucy. So what exactly are you going to be cooking me?
I'm going to be making some sausage pasta, obviously with the veg. £4.93.
What a bargain.
£4.93, less than a fiver in 2020. End of 24, nearly 25. Now, I've got a question as well. Do you guess your spaghetti, which I just do a handful for the three of us, but when you get it over to your pan, do you put it straight in like that, or do you break it up and put it in? So the pasta's in now, and I'm just going to get my veg into a hot oiled pan. Give that a bit of a mix up, and we're going to add some herbs, some garlic, and some paprika. And just let those fry off. So after 5 minutes, I'm just going to cut in my sausages with my scissors. It's easy. £1.50 with a club card, bargain. There is stigma about these Richmond sausages. I love them. If you don't like them, use something else. And that's cooking away all lovely now. So if you do like my videos, why not give it a share and share it all out to your friends and family? And for anyone asking what's on my feet, they are actually mops, so you can clean, cook and go. So 10 minutes has passed now. Going to add the passata. If you haven't got passata, you could add chopped tomatoes. I've got to get all that in. Just a little squirt of puree, not measuring it, just a squirt. And a tiny bit of the pasta water. And then we're going to stir all this up. So that's been cooking away now. Pasta has been drained off. That is going to go into the dish. And a massive portion size as well this makes. Give that a good stir. I've also put the grill on waiting because we've got cheese as well, guys. Yes, for under a fiver, we have got cheese, mozzarella. Break it all up, stick it on top, and get that under your grill. What? Oh gosh, it's heavy as well. Just let that grill off. And that is ready to serve up. And what a fabulous deal is that, under a fiver from Tesco. In fact, £4.93 to be exact. Lovely, drippy cheese. If you do want to copy this, guys, here is the receipt. Delish.